Right, this is just a quick video on the Airshield 550 air scrubber. This is the BD AS550 by Bluedri USA. Just an unboxing. Right now we're using the old Hepa 500s by Dry Ease, and today I decided to bust out the new air scrubber. Get the manual Airshield 550. These are available on Amazon for I think $549. You can get group pricing for $525, but let me see. It's hard to do this one-handed, so I think I will flip it over. There we go. Super nice air scrubber, gray. Got the fan knob right there, max, minimum. Got a digital hour meter, and then the GFI. This is a very well built air scrubber. Very nice clips over here, and it just flips over to make everything so much easier. Hepa filter, and then another filter. Please tell me this is a 12 by 12 by 12. That would make everything so much easier. Very, very, very nice. So basically you unclip it over here, this thing comes out, and then flip it back over. Nice foam cap. And let's see, what do we have here for the cord? I guess cord wraps around over here just like the other ones, and it looks like they're going to be stackable. This part over here, have one more brand new one, but not going to open that just yet because we do have a lot of the Dry Ease Hepa 500s. But yeah, that's pretty much my unboxing video. I'll post a link up for Amazon for this thing. Bluedri Airshield 550 Hepa air scrubber. Very, very nice. Excited to use it. I always love using new equipment. Thanks for watching.